Okay, the next problem will be annuity interest compounded n times per year. If P is the deposit made at the end of each compounding period for an annuity that pays an annual interest rate compounded n times per year, the value of the annuity is given in this formula. Now notice that the formula is quite the same with the compounding interest in n times. The rate is being divided by the n, which is the number of compounding period, multiplied also by the time. I am pertaining to this one. So when you divide it by rate, you have to multiply as well by the time. So for example, at the age of 25, to save for retirement, you decide to deposit $200 into an individual retirement account or IRA at the end of each month at an interest rate of 7.5% per year compounded monthly. How much will you have from the IRA when you retire at the age of 25? So let's look at the given. You have the $200 as your P. The 7.5% is your rate, or 0.075 compounded monthly. This is your N, which is 12. And then the time is not 65 because you start saving at the age of 25. So the time will be 65 minus 25. So the time will be 40 years. So using the formula, you have P 1 plus the rate over n raised to the power of nt minus 1 all over r over n. So you have $200. 1 plus the rate is 0.075. The number of compounding period is 12 raised to the power of 12 times 40 minus 1 all over 0.075 over 12. It really takes patience. Oh, why is this not showing? Okay. It will really take patience to be very careful when it comes to inputting it to the Desmos Scientific Calculator. It must have the correct parenthesis and order of the number. And that will give us $604,764.43. That's the value of the retirement account. Second question is find the interest. So you made a deposit of 200 monthly for 40 years. So we have the interest there is that the value of IRA, which is 604,000 minus the total deposit. So the value of IRA will be 604,764.43. The total deposit that was made was 200. You multiply it by 12 months because it's monthly, and then 40 years, and that will give us 604,764.43 minus 96,000. The interest will be 508,765. With that, more than 5 times the amount of your contribution.